Hey everyone, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here. Tonight we're having a special supper that I don't think I've ever fixed before. I saw this a long time ago on another YouTube channel and it just stuck in my mind, and so we're going to give it a try today. It's stuffed peppers. I had planned on doing chicken Alfredo. If you watched my video from yesterday, you knew I had planned on doing chicken Alfredo. Isaac said he would prefer to have the stuffed peppers. This mama aims to please. So that's what we're having. So during the intro, that would be a great time for you to go hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. I would love for you to be a part of the Farm and Pastor's Wife family. I'd love it so much. And share my videos and tell your friends and family about it, because we're getting, we're not really close to the 100,000 mark, but we're getting there, and that's when we're going to have a nice, big, wonderful giveaway. So let's get started on stuffed peppers.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open. Yeah, the countryside.
All right, everybody. So here I just bought in the package that comes all packaged together, the peppers. So I'm just going to cut these in half. We'll pull out the seeds and I'll throw that away and I'll clean them up. I'm going to do that to all of them. And as soon as I get them all done, I'll show you what we do next. Okay, everyone, so I've got the peppers ready here. There may still be a seed or two, but that's okay. We're just going to take some oil of your preference. You can take olive oil. I have avocado oil, and I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit of oil on each one. I've got my oven preheating to 350. So I'm going to stick this in the oven and let it pre-cook in the oven for just a minute. We'll leave it in there for about 10 minutes. While this is kind of cooking down and getting soft for about 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and make the filling, and you're going to recognize the filling. Okay guys, I don't know if I told you this earlier. It is not nighttime. It is actually should be just as daylight as it could possibly be, but we are having a storm. And so it is just getting dark as everything outside. So hopefully, thank goodness I have a gas stove. So what I have here is a pound of breakfast sausage that I have thawed out really good. And I'm just going to let it...
Hey everybody.
You're going to stick your head and get burnt. We're just going to let this fry up and brown completely. And then we'll bring you back for the next step. Okay guys, I have browned my sausage and I've drained some or sopped up some of the grease with a napkin. Y'all see my napkin trick, right? You turn your blaze off and you just put you a handful of napkins in there. To me, that's easier than messing up another dish. All right, so do you see what I'm going in with? Are you figuring it out yet? All right, so I know you can soften this in the microwave, and there's different ways to soften it, but I forgot. I just procrastinated. Isaac and I were having kind of a mother-son afternoon, and I just didn't do it. So I've got the heat on low, and I'm just going to let this cream cheese melt down just a little bit, and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay guys, so now we're going in with the tomatoes and green chilies. So I know you know where I'm going with this. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit. Let the cream cheese finish melting. I'll check on our peppers in the oven, and then we'll start stuffing. Okay, so by all means, you can cook your peppers to whatever consistency, if you want them extra soft or whatever. I'm tired of waiting. They're probably not as soft as I would like them, but I'm hungry and I'm ready for a stuffed pepper. Look who's here.
Hey guys.
Where'd my spoon go?
How you guys, huh? I'm gonna push them back where they can see.
Well, they need to be turned down
That's
now.
fine. I'll fix them. You ready?
Yep, you ready.
All right, guys. I'm gonna fix
You
y'all.
ready.
You ready? All right, here we go.
All right, so I'm just going to take some of the sausage dip. Well, this is what we use as sausage dip. We eat it with tortilla chips.
Let's do it this way so you can get both of them, okay?
And
How's that? Oh, look at that.
so we always have this sausage dip at Christmas. Don't eat any because I need them for the peppers. Stop. Y'all.
Look at there. You got plenty.
Well, that one needs more. That one
I'll
needs
give
more.
it some more. There we go. Look at that.
Oh, can y'all hear that thunder behind us?
If you've never made this sausage dip, have you ever done this on a video?
I think so. It is so
You
good.
just take little tostadas, corn
And
chips,
just eat it as a dip.
eat it as a dip.
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
It's not healthy, but it's good.
All right, would you hand me that cheese?
Yes, I'll hand you that cheese. Here we go.
All right, we're gonna top this with any kind of cheese of your choice.
What kind of cheese do we have?
This is Colby Jack,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm just wanting to finish up this bag.
Don't tell her anybody.
So just put a little bit. They've been eating out of the pan all evening.
Who has?
You and Isaac.
I just got home. I've been at youth camp. I've been at the hospital.
And we're just gonna put this back in the oven long enough for the cheese to get ooey, gooey, and delicious. All right, we'll bring you back as soon as it comes out. Okay, let's get them out of the oven. And we'll get Bryant to do the taste test. Ooh-wee. Hot, hot, hot. Hot and it's thundering all at the same time.
Look at that goodness.
All right, let me get a plate and serve him up a plate, and we'll get Bryant to do the taste test. Okay, everybody, look over here.
Look at there.
Isn't that beautiful?
That is gorgeous, Mom.
All right, let's see what you think.
All right, here we go.
And I just sliced us up some of the Persian cucumbers.
All right.
Now, if you want your peppers softer than this, then by all means leave them in. And you can cut the top off and make it the cup instead of cutting it in the side.
All right, here we go.
All right.
All right, here we go. Y'all ready?
Down just a little bit.
Definitely a keeper.
Definitely a keeper.
Right there, it's really good. The texture of the pepper is perfecto.
Is it? Okay, good.
No, not so.
It's not like mushy soft, so
No.
there's still a little firmness to it.
Al dente.
But you do you. Have you like soft
How'd you like
peppers?
that, Isaac?
That's when you talk about noodles.
Oh, al dente.
Anyway, if you want it softer, then just leave it softer. Or if you want it crunchier, you don't even have to bake them all.
Hey, that pepper with that sausage, man.
That good?
No,
Okay, guys.
that is out of the park good right there.
We're going to go sit down and eat and enjoy this thunderstorm because it's been so long since we've heard rain and so long since we've heard thunder and lightning. So we're going to go actually enjoy this.
You're a pretty smart person, right?
I am. I think I am.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes.
Even if you know the answer to this, don't answer.
Okay.
Do you not tell the difference between a boy ant
Oh,
and
my
a girl
goodness.
ant?
I know.
If you throw the girl ant in the water, she sinks. Mhm. If you throw the boy ant in the water, he floats because he's buoyant. Buoyant. So, boom.
Sorry, guys.
Right, that one was free.
That was free. They're gonna start asking us to pay them just to let you tell a joke.
No charge.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna go enjoy this. And remember, if the grease is hot enough,
You can fry anything.
bye, y'all.